Dubai is about to enter its most exciting time of the year. From massive music festivals and record-breaking air shows to glowing winter markets and spectacular fireworks, the next 3 months in Dubai are going to be unforgettable. If you're planning to visit between November 2025 and January 2026, this is your ultimate guide to everything happening across the city. The festivals, the openings, and the events you simply can't afford to miss. Every year when the temperatures drop and the skies clear, Dubai transforms into the world's most vibrant playground. It's high season. The beaches come alive, events take over every corner of the city, and visitors from around the globe pour in to experience the magic. This is when Dubai truly shines. So let's go month by month through what's coming. The biggest moments, the most beautiful settings, and the experiences that make Dubai the global capital of excitement and luxury. November 2025, global buzz and mega events. November kicks off the city's most energetic stretch of the year, when Dubai becomes a hub of fitness, music, and world-class exhibitions. First up is the Dubai Fitness Challenge, running all month long from November 1st to 30th. Imagine an entire city turning into one giant open-air gym. From parks to beaches, everyone's out getting active. You'll see pop-up fitness classes at Kite Beach, yoga sessions in Zabil Park, and group cycling downtown. It's a movement that started with Sheikh Hamdan himself, encouraging everyone to get moving for 30 minutes a day. And speaking of cycling, Dubai Ride on November 1st is one of the most unique experiences you can have here. Sheikh Zayed Road, normally filled with cars, is completely closed, transformed into a highway for thousands of cyclists. Imagine pedaling past the Burj Khalifa under the morning sun. It's pure Dubai energy. Next up, prepare for an explosion of sound and color. Untold Music Festival from November 6th to 9th, taking over Expo City Dubai. This massive festival, originally from Romania, is now one of the biggest electronic music events in the world. Expect world-class DJs, pyrotechnics, and immersive light shows that turn Expo City into a futuristic concert arena. But Dubai doesn't stop at music. It steps straight into sports and aviation. From November 13th to 16th, the DP World Tour Championship brings the best golfers from around the globe to Jumeirah Golf Estates. It's the grand finale of the European Golf Tour. A blend of sport, luxury hospitality, and Dubai's signature perfectionism. And then comes the Dubai Airshow, one of the most anticipated global events of the year. Running from November 17th to 21st at Al Maktoum International Airport, this is more than just planes. It's about aerospace innovation, next-gen aircraft, and jaw-dropping flying displays. Every edition breaks new records. And if you're in the city during that week, the skies above Dubai become their own spectacle. Finally, weekends in November bring something calmer, but equally special. Ripe Market at Academy Park. It's a favorite among locals and expats alike. Artisan food stalls, handmade crafts, local designers, and live music under the open sky. Perfect for families, couples, or anyone who wants a more grounded, local Dubai experience. November in Dubai is about movement and momentum, a city buzzing with health, sound, innovation, and fun. It's the month that sets the rhythm for everything that follows. December 2025, Festive and Family Wonderland. As soon as December arrives, Dubai shifts gears into full celebration mode. Cooler evenings, twinkling lights, and a global mix of cultures coming together for the most magical season of the year. The month starts strong with UAE National Day on December 2nd. This is when the entire country lights up, literally. Expect fireworks at Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and Kite Beach, drone shows that dance across the sky, and car parades showcasing national pride. The atmosphere is electric, patriotic, joyful, and completely unforgettable. Then the festive spirit takes over. From December 5th to 31st, the Madinat Jumeirah Christmas Market transforms Fort Island into a winter wonderland. There's a 36-foot Christmas tree, snow zones for kids, food stalls serving international favorites, and even Santa's grotto, all set against the backdrop of the iconic Burj Al Arab. It's one of Dubai's most picturesque holiday scenes. If you're looking for a more urban take on the holidays, head to Winter District at Emirates Towers. open from December 13th to 28th. This spot feels like a cozy, festive retreat right in the middle of the city. Boutique market stalls, festive lights, and family-friendly entertainment. Culture lovers. December has something for you, too. From December 18th to 21st, the Nutcracker Ballet returns to Dubai Opera. It's an elegant tradition that captures the magic of the holidays. A perfect evening for families or anyone who wants a dose of classic charm amid the city's glitter. Then, from December 20th to 24th, Carols by Candlelight at Expo City Dubai brings a uniquely Dubai twist to the season. The Firdaus Orchestra, founded by A.R. Rahman, performs under twinkling lights, surrounded by projection mapping and festive visuals. It's emotional, powerful, and deeply memorable. And of course, everything builds up to the grand finale. New Year's Eve in Dubai. If you've never seen Dubai ring in the new year, it's a bucket list experience. The fireworks at Burj Khalifa are broadcast around the world, but that's just one of many celebrations. Palm Jumeirah hosts synchronized shows, Atlantis the Royal throws extravagant gala dinners, and beach clubs across JBR and Blue Waters pulse with live DJs till dawn. December in Dubai is more than a festive season. It's a month-long spectacle of joy, luxury, and wonder. Whether you're a family, a traveler, or a party lover, there's something for everyone. January 2026, sport, shopping, and culture. The new year begins, and Dubai wastes no time keeping the energy high. January opens with the tail end of the Dubai Shopping Festival, which runs until January 11th. It's one of Dubai's biggest annual traditions. Citywide discounts, raffle draws, fireworks, drone shows, and concerts across major malls. From Dubai Mall to Mall of the Emirates, you'll find up to 75% off luxury brands, making it a paradise for shoppers and tourists alike. Then comes sports season. From January 10th, the DP World ILT Cricket League returns, a world-class tournament that draws global cricket stars to Dubai International Stadium. Expect high-intensity matches, celebrity appearances, in stadiums buzzing with excitement. Later in the month, from January 22nd to 25th, the Dubai Desert Classic takes center stage at the Emirates Golf Club. It's a long-standing event that combines sport, prestige, and Dubai's signature hospitality, with the world's top golfers competing under perfect winter skies. But January isn't just about sports, it's also a celebration of intellect and creativity. The Emirates Airline Festival of Literature runs from January 21st to 27th, bringing together international authors, poets, and thinkers. It's one of the Middle East's most respected cultural festivals, and it reflects Dubai's growing focus on arts and ideas. And finally, the Quaz Arts Festival, held on January 24th and 25th, transforms Al Serkal Avenue into a thriving art hub. Expect live music, exhibitions, creative workshops, and pop-up galleries. It's where Dubai's modern cultural identity truly shines. So while November and December are about energy and celebration, January feels more grounded, a balance of world-class sports, creativity, and culture. It's the month that shows Dubai isn't just about glitz and glamour, it's about growth, talent, and global collaboration. Between November and January, Dubai becomes the world stage. In just 3 months, you can cycle down Sheikh Zayed Road, dance at a global music festival, watch the world's top golfers compete, and celebrate New Year's Eve beneath the tallest building on Earth. It's not just about the events, it's about the feeling. This is the time of year when Dubai's diversity comes alive. Every community, every culture, and every passion finds its moment here. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, or someone looking to escape the winter cold, Dubai from November to January is an experience unlike anywhere else on the planet. So, which event are you most excited for? The Untold Festival, the Airshow, or the world-famous New Year's fireworks? Tell us in the comments below, and if you want to keep up with everything happening in Dubai, from new attractions to record-breaking landmarks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Dubai's biggest season is just beginning, and you don't want to miss a single moment.